Welcome to Project Pack number 29. This is our introduction video. My name is Rick.
Hi, I'm Maria.
And I'm Molly.
We have the whole group here.
We do.
So
This is a little fun little trio we got here for you guys.
And we're going to open up this wonderful package. And
Pretty excited about this project, actually. Yeah.
yeah,
I want a
we've seen
drum
how
roll.
it comes out.
Or does that get old, me saying I'm excited about a project pack?
Never.
Well, I am too. This one's because it's a little bit different.
So perhaps you've already gently unrolled your project pack, which I got to be honest, they just so beautifully packaged these. The girls did an amazing job, and it was really fun to be able to ship such a large piece all around the world to people. And we purposely rolled these template side out so that when you begin working on them, the gravity will slowly flatten them out. Yeah. And we recommend not rolling them in the other direction too much, but rather just maybe gently unfurling them and letting them kind of slowly come to. So we don't want you to aggravate the paper too much, but the templates are beautiful and they really are just such nice paper to work on. So Rick's checking out what's inside here.
I'm jumping ahead here, right? But inside that tube, we have
Wow, a whole bunch of stuff in here, Rick.
got a lot of stuff.
Ooh, I love this brush. It's my favorite
We do
brush.
use these a lot. They're great, and they're so wonderful to have on hand. So,
Really sharp point on that.
yeah, it's nice.
And of course, always,
Nice graphite pencil,
and
jelly
a
roll,
jelly roll,
white and 10,
and a
micron 08. These are black, yeah.
The 8s are fun to work with.
It's nice to
For a
start playing
change,
around
yeah.
with larger pens.
And
We have played with this before, many project packs ago, but we were actually really excited about that project pack and wanted to come back with some of the materials we used then. So this is the Sketch and Wash from General Pencil. Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool tool.
it's like watercolor in a pencil.
Yeah, it's very
sweet.
cool.
And
A Micron Black
03.
03, yep.
and not to be forgotten,
Tortillon.
a tartune.
So maybe you've noticed so far these materials are kind of going back to our black, white, and shades
Yes.
of gray. And that was obviously purposely done, just kind of taking a minute to go back to those sort of basic tones that we have with our roots. And as much as we love color and playing around with different things, this is a great way to tangle and just explore more the integrity of each tangle and really having fun with shades and highlights. So this is a great collection of materials right here.
And this lovely pre-strung, what would you call this, scroll?
Yeah, it's actually what we're calling them, Ricky. These are
There you
called
go.
scrolls. And this is one of a short series of templates that you might see in the next couple years of project packs. We might not do them every project pack, but we really do enjoy this. And so we were thinking like this would be a really cool series. So I wouldn't be surprised if you don't see another scroll, maybe further on down the road. So we'll see when that comes out. But this here one is a beautiful kind of banner looking template, which is going to be really, really fun to fill. And as you can see, the template's done with that gray tone, so it'll disappear. And really one of the focuses of this project pack is working on a larger piece and how to create a composition. And we've done that with a few other project packs. I do want to say that this one I feel like is a lot more digestible in small doses. So what we're going to be doing is giving you little bits every day that are really something that I think you could do in one day. So I was surprised. We actually tested this out with our staff, and so many of them did it. So it was really, really fun. And then the other theme that we're going to be playing with in this project pack is Tangle transitions. And we've played with this before, but we're really digging into it on another level with this particular project pack, and I just was so impressed how beautifully it happened. Like, just really focusing in on Tangle elements and elemental strokes, and how do we seamlessly make one Tangle turn into another.
So in true Zentangle fashion, when we're done, you'll maybe be able to see and sense where the strings were,
I doubt it.
but it's going to transition from tangle to tangle to tangle to tangle to tangle, and it's going to be really get into figuring out how to put different tangles together that you wouldn't ordinarily think would mix.
Yeah.
But they do.
They really do.
It was a lot of fun to do.
It really was fun. And these projects are different for us as a teaching staff because we're all working on the same piece. So there's a little bit of pressure to, like, you know, make sure that we're all on board with what each person's doing. And it's such a great camaraderie and all of that. But we think you guys are going to love this too.
And you had a slogan, right?
Well, a slogan, or you mean a quote that we played around with?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's actually a famous quote that you gave me that book one time. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And that is really...
Or pen stroke.
Or a pen stroke,
Yep.
yeah. And that's really along the same lines of our anything is possible with one stroke at a time. And so within these works, especially anything like a bigger piece you're working on, we always want to be the cheerleaders for you all to say that we know you can do this. And don't get intimidated by the larger work or the work ahead of you, but rather just focus on what's happening today.
And Molly, anything is possible one stroke at a time.
This is true. This is very true.
Okay, and I just heard another iteration of that quote.
Oh, okay.
And it is, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the ground beneath your feet.
Oh.
Which is sort of cool because
it's very cool.
This project pack begins with the paper beneath your pen or
it
whatever.
Really does,
right?
Yeah. And we're just so grateful that we are able to share these materials with people all over the world, and you're able to watch these videos and create along with us, and then share the artwork with us. And we've seen so many people just grow, with these works, and so it's been really fun.
So enough of that. We're going to get your pen and this, and Molly's going to take you on the next step.
Yeah, have fun and take chances with these. You know what?
Yeah.
Like, mixed media is fun. You get messy. Do things you wouldn't normally do and see what happens.
And maybe think about taking a picture of different steps at each day, because it's really cool. Oh, I remember. And then you see how it transitioned and transformed.
Yeah, before and after you shade and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
So have fun, everybody. Thanks for being here, and pass you over to Molly.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.
See you later.